been a couple of months since we've caught up on what's been going on with the cars, the situation at the garage, my life. So here's a quick recapitulation of the series of events. Genevieve is home. Over Christmas, I got a school bus, which is really kind of a fun thing to do. Let me tell you guys something. This whole working on the cars in New Mexico and then driving out to California, or flying out every couple of days, it's just not working. Not to mention, it's getting a little crowded, and there's kids. Oh man, these kids, you gotta watch out for them. They will just lean their bikes on there, they will run them through, and the handlebars will knock stuff off my shelves. And now that Genevieve's back in, I've been locking the back door. It's just, there's no way to live, I have to basically babysit while at work, and it's not okay. And in addition to just the bike and other things, like she starts climbing. She'll just climb the shelves. So it's a mess, but boom, let's do it. We're moving. Everything in this garage is going right there. Somehow. I'm sure there'll be videos on the bus. It's currently being used as storage, which means all of the $15,000 worth of Volvo parts that we had are inside of the bus and in California. I am in New Mexico. I hate it here. Hello, darkness, my old friend. You can't really tell because it is still so much left on the shelves here, but we had another shipment coming in. Pallet number 2 is a lot smaller. Here's what we got. These are the rear covers for the quarter panels in the rear of Bruce. Beautiful red vinyl textured seat covers. Complete kit from VP. Also got the greens here for Genevieve. That's the back seat. You can tell with the little mesh. They even have wires that are metal. How cool. Oh, a little bow. Miscellaneous box of parts. Very important right here. Wheel well plastic inserts. Heavy duty springs for the wagon. Door panels for the wagon, including the big ones in the front. The dashboard for Bruce, which is an early style, 57 to 62. Seat belts, overdrive reseal kits. Very important here. For the money, you really can't go wrong with this. This is the wiring harness. Oh, look how nice. So really excellent work all around. I'm so happy with vp-autoparts. They've just gone above and beyond. The box got a little but they did a really good job inside packaging everything, so I don't have to worry about things. That's offensive. Furthermore, as we waited for things to develop, waited for an opening for upholstery, Bruce came home. He was finished with paint. This is the remainder of our payment for this guy. Isn't he looking nice? And now he's safely nestled in the garage with Genevieve. They're playing nice. After the bus left, I did keep the upholstery bits here, so Genevieve was sent off to get the whole interior redone. Here are the highlights. Now the weekend lights running up, and my weekend nights just starting up. Sick the weekends, racking up. Catching the picture of you, my In the meantime, I needed something to keep my mind busy while I was out here in the state managing the upholstering of the car. I can't really stand over their shoulder and watch them do it, and they're professionals. They did a great job. I'm very happy with the work. And of course, they gave us kind of a hard time because the car wasn't reassembled, and they thought upholstery is the last thing you're supposed to do, Dave. And I know that, but I had everything in place that needed to be in place, and really the only thing getting in the way now is just the door panels and the dashboard, and that's all very to itself. It's very separate from the upholstering of the carpet and the headliner, which is basically what we needed them for. In the meantime, I bought a Miata. cheap fun. I like it, and it's kind of kept my sanity in check. It's also been keeping me busy. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. The link is down below. So now, as we wait for our next opening at Upholstery for Bruce to get taken in, I am just twiddling my thumbs, trying to do as much as I can in the meantime. And that brings us to season 3 of the Volvo rescue. Season 3 is going to be a lot of in-depth short videos. For example, components of the cars, like assembling the doors and every bit and piece there, places to put your butyl putty, weatherproofing the cars, sectionalized reassemblies of each model. There's gonna be a lot of crossover between both models, but there are also things that are very specific to the wagon. I'm gonna help you guys with a lot of step-by-steps on that. So it's gonna be a busy season. Anticipate probably twice as many videos. Some other things to mention in the meantime, we finally got a title for the red 122. I'll probably make a separate for sale video on it as it comes up. But if you're in the market for a 122 coupe, that's the one. I'm your guy. Stick around for that. Thanks for watching. As always, I hope you're having a great start to your summer, and I will be as soon as I'm out of this desert and at the West Coast again.
Find a place that keeps you safe. Head down till the light of day. Ain't nobody you can blame.